This is an overview of the basic text editors from TalkSpot. The website used in this video was created for training purposes. What you have on your pages may look different, but the tools all will work the same. As you begin working with web pages, you'll quickly find that text is all over an average web page. You'll find it embedded in images like in this banner, and in the website menu, and possibly in interactive forms in other places as well. To discover the nature of the content you're dealing with, go into edit mode and roll over the content and look at the label at the top of the menu. You'll see this is an image. This is a menu. This video will cover the text editor or text entry options. You'll find this tool used most often for the content in the center of the page. Let's begin by covering some basic options. First, you can go in and edit your text. This will open up a powerful text editor with many features. You can also move the text block to another position on the page. When you choose this option, you'll be prompted to select the new location on the page. You can also remove the text from the page entirely, copy the text block, which will allow you to keep it on the current page, but also move it to another page on your website, or just move it to the other page and delete it from this one. The last option is Add to Favorites. The most important function of the Edit option is obviously the editor itself, so let's go through it in detail. When you enter the editor, it will load a command bar like a word processor, which is basically what it is. You can do normal functions like select fonts, styles, sizes, formatting text blocks, adding bullet points, and indenting. There are also many options important for web page building you will want to know about. The text formatting pull-down menu has special significance, as Google and other search engines pay special attention to the text you use in headlines. Using the format option where appropriate can help your site be more visible on Google and others. On the bottom right is an option for HTML. If you know HTML, you can go into any piece of code and edit backgrounds, text colors, and things along those lines. Also on the bottom right is a unique capability set of TalkSpot called snippets. You can use snippets to put in things like 2 and 3 column formatting, special image borders, interactive pictures, flying text, even pre-formatted information pieces like signatures. You may never use any of those features, but here's a few that we bet you will use. One of the most basic is take a piece of text and create a link for it so that if a visitor clicks on it, it'll take them to another page on the site or maybe another website altogether. To do that, click on the piece of text and paint it, right-click, insert the link, then make a very basic decision about whether you want to open it in this window or open it in a new window. Choose appropriately and hit Insert. Another important one is the ability to put images inside of your text. Start by placing your cursor where you want to have it appear. Click the Insert Image icon. It's in the upper left-hand corner. Choose the selection, and it will appear on your page. If you'd like to orient it towards the left or right or center, right-click and go to Alignment. You can see the choices there. Also available under right-click, you can edit the image and go over and put some space around it. A little bit of padding so that if you want to wrap the text around, it'll show up with a nice padding here around the edges. You can see that looks very nice. As always, when you work on something, make sure you save, and you can take a look at what it looks like as your visitors would see it by clicking Preview. And that's probably enough for one lesson. We want to encourage you to watch all the videos in the series so that you don't get overwhelmed. If anything here didn't make sense, something's not working for you, give us a call or drop us an email at support@talkspot.com. Thank you for your time.